our Victorinox Swiss Army watch is going to be the same. And it's going to help you in camping. And I just demonstrated how we have a little light on the watch.
I know, I was thinking, what will I do with the night vision watch? How will it help me? And I thought, oh, it's very useful. When the electricity blackouts happen and we're fumbling for mattresses, you know, it happens quite a bit in Bombay, especially in my area. Great, I can turn on my night vision watch and find the matches. So, and of course, there are many, 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 many uses for it.
I have the privilege.
Oh, please.
All right, Pooja, so tell us, how does it feel like wearing that Victorinox night vision watch?
Well, you know, the stories about it are pretty cool, and the video of it was pretty cool, so I guess I would say I feel pretty cool.
All right, you're done. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vijayendra, for joining us this evening and for making this evening very, very special.
Very nice.